What if a field wasn't a ghostly math layer floating in empty space, but the live mood of an invisible ocean underneath everything you see? In the energy filament theory, a field is how a cosmic energy sea is stretched, wrinkled, and keeping time at this exact moment, not a pile of equations hanging in midair. Think of the universe as a giant elastic mattress stretched across all of space. And every particle, planet, or beam of light is just something lying on that mattress. Wherever you put stuff down, the mattress gets dents, slopes, and ripples. And the total pattern of dents and ripples right now is the field. Textbooks say at every point in space you put a number or an arrow, which is technically true. But it is like saying a forest is just a list of tree coordinates and heights and forgetting the wind, the sound, and the sway. In this picture, a field is more like a whole forest in a breeze, with every tree crown moving together. Wind direction, wind strength, and the way branches sway all baked into one living pattern. Or picture a calm lake seen from above. When nothing disturbs it, the surface looks flat and boring. But it is still a field, just a very uniform one. Throw in a stone or run a boat through, and suddenly you get rings, wakes, and hidden currents. And now the field has structure, channels, and preferred directions. Drop a leaf onto that water and its motion is already decided by the ripples and flows that were there before it landed. So the field is the script and the leaf is just acting it out. In this view, gravity is not an extra force glued onto space. It is where the energy sea has sunk into tension valleys, so things simply slide downhill. Electric and magnetic fields are places where the sea has been combed into straight lanes and loops. So charged particles find it easier to move along those tracks than across them. A field, then, is not a new kind of invisible stuff. It is the real-time deformation map of the sea itself, where it is tighter, looser, tilted, or twisted, and which directions are favored. We use math and arrows only because the full pattern is too rich to hold in our heads. So we encode the dents, slopes, and rhythms as numbers on a page and often mistake the code for the thing. Once you see the field as the universe's bottom tablecloth being pulled, folded, and tapped in rhythm. Everything that comes later, electric fields, magnetic fields, gravity, potential energy, becomes just different ways that same cloth is being arranged. In this picture, force stops being a mysterious pull from nowhere and becomes how particles, light, and planets follow the easiest routes written into that hidden landscape. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.